should make an incremental game.
Okay.
Hey there, folks. My name is Joel, but I go by Gino on the internet. Sometime around November or December of 2025, I noticed how many incremental games were being released. Mainly because I was playing a lot of them. And as every aspiring game developer does, I started toying with ideas for my own incremental game. That's why when I saw this video sometime around Christmas time, I thought it'd be funny to comment this. But it's currently almost the end of April, and I still don't have a playable demo. Well, Joel Gino Jingleheimer Schmidt. This is you, by the way. What's your incremental game even about? Well, I'm glad you asked. My 6,000 IQ game idea was an incremental game where you just type the word incremental. Now, I know when I'm saying it doesn't sound that great, but this is the game I decided that I wanted to try making. And I only had 8 months to do it. You see, I'm actually turning 30 in August, and I thought it'd be cool to release my first game on Steam on my birthday, on my 30th birthday. That would mean I had 8 months to develop and ship the game, which if I kept the scope small and I locked in, should be kind of doable. So, okay, let me tell you what my plan was. Boom! January, prototype done. February, I start working on my itch.io demo. March, I release my itch.io demo. April, I take the itch demo and turn it into a Steam demo. May, I learn how to Dougie. June, I join Steam Next Fest because I believe the next Fest is in June. July, I teach you how to Dougie. August, I release my game. September, I Dougie in the Bahamas after putting up Aramis numbers due to my game's massive success. Obviously, I haven't been able to keep up with that roadmap at all. And on top of that, the first 3 months of the year was just life mollywopping me relentlessly between getting diagnosed with ADHD, needing to move to a new place, getting into car accidents, plural, and one other secret thing. I barely made any progress on my prototype. So after months of not really making much progress, I started taking some sick, nasty brain pills. And I decided to just wrap up the prototype. Like, I really wasn't making much progress on the prototype. It was very hard to actually implement features because the code, I don't even want to talk about it. But basically, this was pretty much all I had. With the prototype done, the next thing on my roadmap is the itch demo. So I've been working on that. The problem is that all of this was a piece of trash and completely unusable. So I'm actually starting my itch demo from scratch. I literally made a new Unity project for the demo because I didn't even want to look at any of the prototype code or like any of the files. I'm really trying to have good, clean architecture and everything, and planning it out has been kind of tough for my ADHD brain. So I'm not moving as quick as I'd hoped, to be honest. I'm doing all this like setup and like, I don't know if anyone cares about the architecture part of things. But I'm hoping the clean architecture will make it easier and faster to implement features in the long run. So fingers crossed. My deadline is still my birthday, which means I have about 4 months to make this game.
Chat, am I cooked? Chat,
Hey, chat, am I cooked? Chat, am I cooked? But anyways, I just thought it'd be cool to record a video and see if I could actually pull this off. I'm not really built to be a content creator, so I can't promise that I'll have like a video every week or even every month, but I'll try and keep anybody who's interested in seeing my process or, you know, the journey. I'll try to keep y'all updated. So subscribe if you want to see what happens with this project. I'm more motivated when there's people to interact with and like stakes, you know? So, you know, if you're working on a game too, or, you know, you're just interested in indie game development, you know, let me know down in the comments. But yeah, goodbye.